What's up, you guys? My name is ZaDon OBryant. I've been playing drums since I was 1 year old. I'm 15 now, so it's a pretty long time. It's more than half of my life. I know it doesn't look like I'm 15 with all this facial hair right here, all this right here. But you know, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Out of church, I knew the Tabernacle Family music ministry. I don't really have a band outside of it. But if you want to count that as a band, that's definitely a band, I guess so. It's my family, been going there since I was even thought of. It's a pretty good church, you know what I'm saying? The size of the sticks I play is 5A. Love them. Been practiced with them a little bit, you know what I'm saying? And I love them. What I love about them is, though, I love the bounce back. It's definitely a very good stick, you know, most of my rolls and stuff, you know, the bounce back, all that stuff, all my rolls, like flame taps, all that stuff, so, you know, it's a really good thing. They're a very long stick, and so on kit, when I touch them on kit, you know, it'll reach, because, you know, I'm pretty tall, have long arms, but, you know, I can hit wherever I need to hit on the drum, all that stuff. And I love the design. They're very good design. Love the logo, everything. One thing about Collision, I know their customer service is beautiful. They're interactive with people that order from them, all that stuff, and they're always getting back in touch with you, all that stuff. So I don't really have a video of me playing with them yet. As in the US, today is Saturday, and I go to church on Sundays. So I need you guys to stay tuned, and I'll get that video to y'all, and it's gonna be attached with this video. So stay tuned, y'all. Peace.